ទៅថមកជីវិតហ្នឹងថដល់ល្ងាចអត់មានកន្លែងណាក៏អីលើកឡើងឲ្យជ្រុះស្អីអស់
differently. So it's the way how they prepared it. They learn from the parents, you know. So but overall, it tastes the same. It's a lot of fresh fruit, a lot of fresh vegetable. It's a lot of fresh vegetable. You eat a lot of we call hot chili or finger hot. Some people call finger hot. Some people call Thai hot pepper. Everything is not Thai. It's Cambodian too. Okay, that's not fair. But rice is the most important. We always eat rice with other like dishes. Always right. So like that. So, but that's one thing, and a lot of people use this little turmeric powder. Is always with the lemongrass. Always. So because it make the colors look beautiful. The main thing is lemongrass. Is one of the like the most important ingredient for many dishes. Okay. So we usually minced it. We minced it. We chopped it thin, and then we mortared it. In my country, we rarely go out and eat. Rarely. We cook at home. In my thinking, I just feel like I want to be. This is like a slogan for myself. It's like a bridge to diversity.